So hello students, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this today's video we are going to see the some bracket examples, how to solve the integers when the bracket examples are the presents. Okay, so right now you can see that first we are going to revise the last video what we saw that. So in the last video you can see that we study about the addition and subtractions of integers. Some rules are there. So in the last video I taught you that integers when having the same sign, then we have to perform the addition, and when the integers are having the different sign, we have to perform the subtraction, and later on we have to give the bigger number sign. Okay, so because these rules we have to use in the today's that bracket examples, how to solve. So we will see now. So the first we will see the bracket rules are there. Bracket rules, it means simply it is just like a multiplications rules are there. So what we have to do now, if there is a minus is there, then it will become the plus, and if it is the plus minus, it become the minus. Okay, so these are the rules, you have to remember it. You can pause the video and you can note down these rules into your copies also. Okay, so right now you can see that we are going to solve some bracket examples. Let's see here. 32 minus in bracket minus 15. Okay, so now you can see that first we are going to simplify as per the bracket rule. What rule says that minus it become plus. You can see here outside the bracket, here also it is the minus sign, and inside the bracket here also it's a negative integer. Okay, so that's why it will become the minus, it will become the plus. So 32, here it will come 32 plus 15, 32 plus 15, so the final answer it will come 47. Okay, so like these examples you have to solve. Let's take the one more examples related to this one. It is your, this is your first example. Let's see the second number example. Minus 58 plus in bracket minus 20. Okay, so now you can see that how to solve. Here you can check that outside the bracket plus sign was there, and inside the bracket it was a negative integer. So as per the rules, what the rule says that plus and minus, it becomes the minus only. Okay, plus and minus, it become the minus only. So let's do the simplification. Here it will come minus 58, then plus minus, it become minus 20. Now you can see that as per our rules, when both the integers are having the same sign, that time we have to perform the addition. So what is the addition of 58 and 20? It will come it will come 78, but 78, that answer it is the coming in minus. Why it is the coming answer it is in the minus? Because you can see that both the integers are in minus, so that's why our answer it will come minus 78. Okay, so let's take the some more examples related to this one. So if it is the 2 to 3 integers are the given in the bracket, so 13 minus 18, 13 plus in bracket minus 18 minus, here it is the minus 5. Okay, so when 3 examples are the given, so how to solve this part now you can understand well. Here it will the come 13 plus minus, it become the minus 13 minus 18, and here you can check that minus it become plus. So first you can simplify for these two number, 13 minus 18, 13 minus 18, so how much it will come? 13 minus 18, it is the coming minus 5. Why minus 5? You can check that both the integers are having the different sign, so we have to perform the subtraction. 18 minus 13, we got the answer 5, and here you can check that bigger number it is in minus, so that's why here that answer we got minus 5, and here it is the plus 5. So minus 5 plus 5, that answer it is the coming 0. Okay, so like this you have to solve this example. Let's take the one more examples related to detail. So 212 minus 212 plus in bracket minus 101 plus in bracket minus 98. Okay, so now how will you solve these examples? Now you can see that here it will come minus 212. Okay, then here it was the minus 101 plus minus, it become minus. Okay, minus 101 it will come, then plus minus, it become minus 98. Okay, so now you can see that all 3 integers are having the minus, all 3 integers are having the same sign, and if there is the same sign, if the integers are having the same sign, if the sign of integers are the same, then we have to perform their addition. So let's do the addition of these numbers. So how what it will come, you can see all the three integers are having the same sign. It contain minus, it's all three integers are in minus. So let's do the addition of all three. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 2 it become 11. Right here 1 1, then 1 carry, 9 plus 0 0 0, 9 plus 0 it become 9, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 1 it become 11. Right here 1 1 carry, 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 it become 4. So the final answer it is the coming minus 411. So like this you can able to solve the bracket example. So this is the part 2 of this video. So I hope you will understand well and you can able to try to find out the answers of the questions correctly. Okay, thank you for watching my video.